If you own a swim spa and want to work out your upper body and core, or if you want to do some sport-specific training for golf, baseball, or any type of racket sport, you're going to want to check out the Swing Trainer. Today, I'm going to try this out in the swim spa and show you how it works. So here I have the Swing Trainer, which is fantastic for sport-specific training if you play golf or any type of racket sport. It's also great for upper body strength and fitness and your core. So I'm just going to try this out. Now, I'm no expert, I'm not a trainer, but I would imagine if you're into kayaking or canoeing, you can use it like this, which is giving my arms a really good workout. Feeling it in right through my arms actually, particularly in my triceps. There's a lot of resistance here, so as you can imagine, it's a fantastic upper body workout. Regardless of whether you play any type of racket sport, this is a great way to work out arms and your core. Now, if you want to channel your inner Viking, this is a great one. That actually feels quite satisfying. This is a gym favourite, kettlebell swing. So I'm just going to take it up and then through the legs. Yeah, that's really good. It's quite a good amount of resistance in my arms and core again. So there's a few different types of resistance you can have with this again. The top adjusts, so you can just remove this part here and you can change the resistance more easily. This is the hardest level of resistance, so you can mix it up with medium or a lower resistance attachment if you want to. So that's a quick overview of the Swing Trainer. Of course, there are many more ways that you can use this. Great workout for the upper body, the arms and the core. And remember, if you play any type of racket sports, it's fantastic for that as well.